Hi, I am Shomali and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Radhaballavi. It is a jumbo version of Indian Puri or Luchi where I have stuffed spicy split lentil or Urad dal. Radhaballavi and Aloo Dum is famous veg combination of Bengalis during Maha Durga Ashtami. So let's see the ingredients first. For the recipe, first I need to prepare the dough. So for the dough, here I have taken 2 cups of refined flour. Now I am adding salt into it. Then add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now mix them very nicely. After a good mixing, I have to add water and make a soft dough. The dough is ready. Now leave it for 30 minutes. For the stuffing, I require spitted white lentil or urad dal, which is soaked for overnight, ginger paste, garam masala powder, this is hing or Asafoetida, salt, and this is dry red chilli, fennel seeds, and this is cumin seeds, and oil for frying. First I need to grind the dal into coarse paste. Here I have taken 1 cup of dal. Now I am adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water into it. The paste will be like this kind of consistency it should be. Now dry roast the fennel seeds, cumin seeds and red chilli. Roast them for 2 minutes in low flame. It is ready. Now turn off the flame and let it be cool and then make a coarse powder. The roasted masala powder is ready. Into the same pan I have to add oil. Once it hot, then add Asafoetida. Then add ginger paste and stir it a while. Now into the oil I am adding dal paste. Then add salt. And cook them for 2 minutes. Stir it continuously. When it becomes little thick, then add roasted masala powder, garam masala powder, and mix them very nicely. It is ready. Now let it be cool. Here I have already prepared some balls with the dough. Now I am going to put the stuffing. So first I have to roll it like this. Then put the stuffing and then cover it like this. Now it is ready. Put the stuffing and then stick them very nicely like this. I have completed all the balls in the same way. Now I have to roll them again into puri. Now it is ready. Into the medium heat oil, I have to fry the puris. Now turn it. As you see, it become very nice and light golden in color. That means it is ready. So take out from the oil. I will show you the another one. Now turn it. It is ready. Now take out from the oil. My today's recipe Radhaballavi is ready. You must try the recipe in this puja. I believe you will love it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel and get some new recipes. Till then, bye bye.